suppose we're going to be diving deep into some pretty hard conversations, right? Behavior. So we do say namaste in my kids' classes, but because I come from a kids training where there's a lot of songs and the songs will say namaste, but every single time I'm explaining to them, like, what does this mean? And they're like, it means hello and goodbye.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I am going to be speaking today about representation matters, inviting Black kids to do yoga. Here are some reasons why representation is important. Racial mirrors. Racial mirrors reflect your own culture and help you to build your own identity. Racial mirrors are seeing images that match yours.
So we're excited to share with all of you a little bit from all of our backgrounds. And we're also excited to hear from all of you and looking at the ways that yoga teachings are integrated into schools today. Archaa will be providing a beautiful overview of children's literature and resources and ways to perhaps integrate humanities into yoga.
SEL is so powerful because it does help improve self-regulation. It does teach to the whole child. It does improve focus. And also the way it might be taken out of context from what it's really meant to do, and the way it's taken out of context is kind of used as this like disciplinary approach. And so I want to hear from all of you as to like, why could that be problematic?
And how much they hold, like Melissa just mentioned, and having been a teacher myself, it is an overwhelming space to be in. And for a myriad of reasons, a lot of under-resourced teachers are focusing on how can I manage children's behavior so I can get through my class period, I can get to my educational goals. And the tricky part comes in, and when we have that responsibility of how